It's going to be a Bitcoin update in addition to some of the coins we're looking at. So this is Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame. We went over this on today's live stream where the price action was here. And well, the price action, I did another update for the group and also put it for the YouTube members. When the price was here, I thought it was going to come down a little bit lower and then come up or continue down to go for this level. And the price, and you can watch the videos if you're on a YouTube member, but the price was here. And I was thinking it was going to come down to here a little bit more. And look where it went to. It's beautiful. Went a little bit further down to the point where I thought possible. And then now this is the decision point. It could have continued coming down, attacking this, and then come up and come back down. Or potentially coming up here, battling this, and look where it stopped. It tried, and then it went. And then the next one is to try to go for this. So this is what I'm looking for whenever I'm doing chart setups. Now, does this always happen? Nope, sure doesn't. We went and we looked at this coin, Curve. Now for Curve, we went ahead and entered it because it broke, I believe it was this level. We entered it here. We had our stop loss, I believe, around here. It was pretty tight. Wherever it was pretty tight. And we got stopped out. And, you know, we're looking at this. And here we have, you know, some levels. Here we have the main level that it needs to break below in order for us to go short. This would be the first break to where we can have our alert set here, but I have it here so that it could notify us that we're breaking this low. This is the low that we really want to break. This is the midway point, pretty much from this to this is roughly around this level. So this would be a little bit lower than the midway point. And currently, right now, I mean, we're not in it. We already got stopped out. But look what's happening here. We have a high. It broke the high, attacked this high, came down. Now here's our decision point. What is it going to do? Is it going to now come down to attack this so that it could aim for this? Or is it going to come up here and get this and then potentially go for this? And that's what happened right now. Now, would I intro long on this one? Not really. You know, I'd pretty much wait. Now, one thing I do want to point out is earlier today, you know, I made a statement to my group. I believe it was around 5 in the morning. And in that group, or rather in that message, it was basically, you know, the market looks like it might be changing because I did notice that we had some coins going up while other coins were still going down. And then shortly after, about 15, 20 minutes, maybe even 30, Bitcoin started going up, which I found that to be very weird. And I even put it here too. High risk, we're talking about XRP. High risk just because the market may be changing. Today was supposed to be Black Monday. I don't know if y'all remember that, but today was supposed to be Black Monday. And what happened, even though I knew today was supposed to be Black Monday, I'm saying right here that the market may be changing. The market may be changing. I put that at 5:16 this morning. And then on today's live stream at 12, this is my thought process. I believe maybe the price was here. I don't know where the price was at. But you can double check on the on today's live stream. It's like, which way is it going to go? And my thought process is to come up. Because I always do plan A, plan B. And then what I like to do is label it to see if my plan A worked, thought process, or if it didn't, and then maybe went to plan B. And on the stream, one of the viewers asked, if plan B works or plays out, what are your targets? Targets would be above our levels. Here's our support. So we'd have it just above it. Here's our next support. We'd have our target just above it. And then, of course, for this one, we would have it right here. Not to waste too much of your time. But just want to let you know, whenever you're doing this thought process, have this path tool. And the path tool, it's located right over here. Right here, I have it on my favorites. But have the path tool and then just kind of see what happens. Does it go up or does it go down? And if it does go up or down, are you kind of, you know, seeing what might happen. See how here we said it might come a little bit lower to here. This is our decision point, and then come up, and then just see if it plays out. See if it plays out the way you think. Let's see here. Is there any other ones that I wanted to show? This is ton. This is all these are from updates for the group. Every time we've done that, we had here to take profit, and then 2 days later at 1:25 in the morning, it said take profit here, guys, just in case it rolls up and starts coming up. Now, in order for us to go short on ton, this 4-hour time frame, in order to go short, whether we're going to add to the entry or possibly enter it for the very first time, price action has to cross below 2.866, and preferably on a 4-hour time frame, but more than likely 15-minute is fine. The lower the time frame you go, the higher likelihood of possibly getting stopped out because there's more volatility, but you enter the trade much faster. And you could maybe wait for an hour because these candles are not too large. So you could probably do a 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour is good. Look how small these candles are. So I'd probably wait for the 1 hour. If you wanted to like absolutely nail the entry, 15-minute, but the 15-minute will be a little bit too risky. But let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, so this is fine, the 1 hour time frame. If it breaks below this on the 1 hour candle close underneath this, then you could enter the trade. That's if it reverses. Now this could be where all the coins start coming up. Now I also made another audio for the group saying that all of these coins, when they bounce, we don't know if it's going to be today, tomorrow, next week, we don't know. But when they bounce, expect to see 15, 20% gainers in, a few hours or maybe even a day. Why? Because they went down so much. They went down on average 15, 20%. So now they're going to more than likely go up. And this is what we're looking for. So not only do we look for shorts, but we also look for longs. Here, the safer entry at the moment for a long would be the break of this level. And I do love ton. This is one that I'm following. So right now it can travel anywhere in here. And if you're not in trade, then you can just wait. Let's say if the price does come down here and then come up, could we enter this trade here? You could, I won't. And I won't put it for my group either to enter the trade here. Why? Because we have this level of resistance. Matter of fact, we have this zone of resistance. So it could come up and then get rejected, then go do a lower high, then break this low, and then now we're back to, what is it going to do? It's in this range. We don't want to do anything until it breaks this level. Now, if it starts ranging something like this for maybe a day, then we can, it's down here. Once it crosses this, now let's go ahead and try for a long at least to here. And then once it comes up here and we see it rolling over, of course, all this is really easy to see after the fact. When you're in the moment, that's when it's hard. Then let's say it comes down and it comes up and it breaks the level. Now you can enter the trade. For a short, just knowing that we may be reversing it. So hopefully all this makes sense. If you're not watching me every single day, I strongly recommend you do so. Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 4. We also do bonus streams. Normally it's around midnight, sometimes 2 in the morning. It's just whenever I have a chance to do it. I'm always in these trades. I'm always in these charts. I absolutely love everybody's questions. And my original thought is to edit the videos, but it takes way too much time. And I used to have a video editor, but don't have them anymore. All right, guys, I do thank you very much. You guys are the best. We'll see you on the next video. And just remember, don't chase these trades. If you see trades going up, for example, well, I can't show you other ones because we're in 2 trades. I believe it's 2 active trades at the moment. We did get stopped out on, I believe, 1 or 2 today. One of them was in really nice gains. I think, was it this one? Yeah, this one was one of them. 7x leverage. We ended up moving our stop loss right here. No. Yes. So 9 times 7 or 9 times 5, whichever one you wanted to do. That was one. And this is all the times that we moved our stuff. Now, if you do want to join the group, here's the information. We give you exact prices, when to enter, how to enter, why we're entering. That's what I put in the detailed videos, follow-ups, updates, stuff that maybe the market's dealing with, the stuff that I'm noticing. I'll do audios in the group. I'll do specific videos for the group. We move up our stop losses. Like, if you don't know how to trade, this group is going to help you tremendously. Now, if you do know how to trade, this group's going to help you tremendously, because this is literally all I do. I'm in the charts. So it's literally, you are leveraging your time by being in the group. Now, let's say you don't have this money. Not a problem. Watch me every day. I will show you how to do this. If you have questions, or if you're thinking about doing this, but you have questions as far as maybe the price or anything like that, even though the price is here, send me a message, trade_intuition on Telegram. And there's no sales pressure, nothing like that. Just let me know, and we'll get you in the group. Start making you some money. Not financial advice. Never hopes and dreams and empty promises. I show you my stuff works. And the reason I show you all of my tips and tricks is so that you can see, hey, this guy, I think he might know what he's talking about. And then you can enter some trades, make some money. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. And of course, if you can, definitely smash the like if you haven't already. Leave a comment or two and share this out. Let other people know about this channel. Let people know what we do, what we're capable of, how we reduce the complexity of trading. Trading is only as difficult as you make it. Do we win all the time? Nope, sure don't. We lost this one. We don't win all the time. But when we win, man, do we win. Our wins far exceed our losses because our stop losses are so tight. We manage our risk. That's one of the big things I teach is risk management. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. Make sure to smash the like. Let me know if you like the video. Let me know if you're enjoying, all the streams that we're doing. And I do thank you. Take care.